Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for a bike that looks good, performs even better, and costs not much. You can check out Ancheer's website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out their website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that their website link is in the description below. And they're even running a special promotion on their website now. So, the Ancheer e-bike absolutely looks stunning. It features an ultra strong wheels with 26-inch magnesium alloy integrated wheels that have anti-slip resistance and thick tires for rainy and snowy mountainways and roadways. The bike is foldable. It will save so much space for your daily use, and as it did with mine. And again, with its 6-spoke mag wheels, it absolutely looks stunning. It uses an industrial aluminum alloy frame, and this e-bike adopts the ultra lightweight yet strong aluminum. It's anti-rust and anti-exposure painting material which protects everything about it, and it even has a large capacity lithium battery. It supports 25 kilometers every 15.5 miles on e-bike mode and about 50 kilometers on assisted mode riding, and it's even equipped with the smart lithium battery charger that has fast charging, which takes about 4 to 6 hours of charging. It's equipped with the brake and motor system as well, where the e-bike has a mechanical front and rear disc brake system and a 21-speed Shimano professional transmission system, perfect for climbing. It has two working modes, the e-bike and the assisted bicycling. With the e-bike mode, you don't need to ride at all. It's basically a motorcycle, and with the assisted mode, you can do some exercise, and it's an easy way to change between each mode by pressing the key according to your needs. The LED front tire and horn is also included with the package, and even comes with a 1-year warranty for the entire bike. All the parts like the tires, the brake discs, chains, pedals, horns, lights, and other parts, except for the frame, of course, is covered by the warranty. So you have no worry about using it. The bike basically gets to you 85% assembled, and it's super easy to complete it yourself. The only thing that makes this e-bike look like an e-bike is the battery pack, while the rest of the bike just looks simply amazing. Honestly, the only thing that makes me think that it is an e-bike is how weird the battery pack is positioned. But other than that, the bike is super amazing to look at. It's built to a budget, but it is more than enough and more than capable to do what it needs to do. It's fairly easy to assemble. The instructions could honestly be a little better, but I'm honestly enjoying the bike, and how I can get up hills super effortlessly makes it even easier to ride. I can't believe how good this is for the money. It's really great on the road on all levels of assist, and can cope with mountain bike trails along with the coast with ease. The assembly again is super easy, and everything was included. The shifters and gears were perfectly aligned out of the box. I was honestly surprised to see the quality components like Shimano gears and shifters. I have them on my road bikes, and they cost like 5 times more than this one. The bike is a great deal for an e-bike. So yeah, if you're interested in a really budget friendly e-bike, feel free to check out Ancheer. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Ancheer's website in the description below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!